I want to welcome you to this live stream. I hope you're doing good on this Sunday evening, my time. Maybe it's morning or afternoon, your time. In this presentation, we're going to talk about the website platforms. And if you saw the thumbnail, don't ask me why I was holding those. I have no idea why I was holding them. Even though this one didn't work and this one is broken, I need to get another web stand or something for the phone. So, so what are platforms? Platforms are used to build websites. They can be SaaS, they can be yeah, they can be SaaS, they can be independent web hosting, they can be. I can give you an example. It's very hard to explain the difference between them without giving an example. So the first one, I just want to make sure I can hear myself. Yeah, I can hear myself. So if uh, if you're joining on this live stream, I want to thank you and I want to welcome you and make sure you submit your comments or at least let me know where you're tuning in from. Are you in the US? Are you overseas? Where are you from? Where you live in? Just tell me where you're tuning in from. You don't have to be too specific. Maybe the state or the country if you're overseas. So first, an example of a platform is WordPress. WordPress, actually, it's not a specific platform. It's a software you can install on a web hosting, uh, on servers. So that's choice number one. So building a website using WordPress. WordPress is a great software and it powers over 30, 35 of the internet websites. So I've used it before and it's very intense software. It takes time to learn, even though a lot of people say it's easy. It's not easy. But it depends how deep you want to delve into WordPress. If you want to just use it as without any programming, just to make use it as a content management system without any programming, you can do that. Just use the dashboard. You can learn how to use the dashboard, and also what you can do. You can get into the programming side of WordPress if you learn how to use HTML, CSS, and the back end PHP. And but myself, I don't know PHP, and I know how to use the dashboard in WordPress as a content management system. So that's one, WordPress. Now you have other content management systems like let's say Wix, Weebly, and Squarespace. Those are hosted platform. They take care of the back end. This is what I like about them. So instead of uh, instead of WordPress, you have to take care of the plugin. You have to make sure the plugin is updated. Even though some web hosting companies, they take care of the back end of WordPress. They update the software, the plugins. But it's intense. You have to know a lot about WordPress. So that's why recently I haven't been using it. But if you want to freelance, a lot of people use WordPress. If you're freelancing or you're making a business out of it. So another platform, that's the one I use now. I'm using. It's a self-hosted website and without using WordPress. I mean, the hosted websites, you can use WordPress and you can use other software, other templates or themes. In my case, I'm using, like I said last time, Hostinger, and I am an affiliate with them, but I don't have any link on the bottom, so I don't want to sell anybody on this live stream. So basically, The self-hosted that I'm using, you can use WordPress, you can install WordPress, or you can use other templates. And also there are other options where you can use the website builder, and this is what I did. The website builder, it will let you drag and drop the element on a web page so you can arrange them, so you can have your own design, so that's what I'm doing, but I may upgrade it later on. But in the beginning, for your first website, that will help, just self-hosted, and it's much cheaper. uh, Now I'm looking into start, working with the Squarespace, because I've been reading about them, and I like their platform. So I might be moving my website or create another website using Squarespace. If you guys are familiar with the Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, drop in a comment, let me know what you think and what's your favorite platform if you're joining on this live stream. And I want to thank you. And even if you're on a replay in the future, let me know what's your favorite platform. Is it WordPress? Is it uh, other content management systems like hosted websites like Wix, Weebly, Squarespace? Or you prefer self-hosted like Hostinger and other web hosting companies where you can get your own web hosting and you can build your own website using website builder templates or themes? So yeah, let me know. If you're joining on this live stream, I want to thank you, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm trying to grow it and I want to make more videos to help you and help everybody who's trying to get into making their own website, web pages, and certain software depending on your request. So yeah, make sure you let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm very interested. Are you in the States or overseas? What state are you from, or what country are you from? And let me know what website building platform you prefer. Do you prefer WordPress, Squarespace, or the other ones? Let me know in a comment box below. So I want to welcome you to this live stream. My name is George Shamon, and I'm coming to you live in this video. We're discussing the platform that we can use to build websites, whether you're using WordPress, Squarespace, Weebly, and other ones. So yeah, let me know if you're interested to learn more about those platforms. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm trying to grow it, and I want to make more videos, and I want to try to help you. Yeah, let me know where you're tuning in from. This channel, because I'm trying to grow it, and let me know where you're tuning in from. Hi, Mona. Where are you tuning in from? Where are you tuning in from? Are you in the U.S. or overseas? What country are you from? If you're and let me know what you're interested to know about WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, Weebly, what website platform you're interested in, or if you already have a website, what platform are you using? US, Idaho. Okay, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Are you interested in learning how to make websites, or you already have your website? Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so I want to grow it and make more videos. Uh, yeah, we're talking about the website platforms, WordPress, Weebly, Squarespace, and I want to get your input. What you're interested to learn about, so I can make more videos. Right now, I talk about HTML, CSS, and I'm gonna be starting using JavaScript and making some video tutorials. So, but I need to find out what are you interested in, and Are you interested in coding, making a web page from scratch, or using a hosted website? And I've been learning HTML and CSS for the last 2 years, and now I'm starting with the JavaScript. I do this on a side, it's not my main job. Daytime, I am a telecom engineer. So, coding, you're interested in coding. Do you know HTML5 and CSS3? Are you familiar with them? Did you start, or what's your skill level? Yeah, coding is, I have a lot of videos on my channel about coding, HTML, CSS, and some about the JavaScript, the basics, so you can check my channel, my main channel. I mean, this is the channel, but this is like live now without showing you a computer screen. But Oh, okay. You are an expert. Okay. Yeah. So chime in. Give us your idea. We're interested to know about your input. If somebody is starting new to make a website, you know, recently I've been reading a lot about Squarespace. I like what they have. I used before WordPress, but like it's very intense. I mean, I learned the dashboard, but if you want to you delve deeper in it, you have to know PHP, the back end, and and you always have to take care of the plugin to make sure they're updated. So I didn't like it too much, and even though some web hosting company they take care of the back end, but still, you get those messages. But it's a cheaper, but it's good if somebody is an expert. So. And now everybody is talking about Wix and their new software, the Wix Studio, I think. I don't know, I never used Wix before. It's, yeah, who else? Anybody is interested to know more about making websites, web pages, coding? Let us know your opinion. Are you a new user, beginner, intermediate, expert? Let us know. And guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow it, so I'll make more videos like this one and longer tutorial. Just, make sure you subscribe if you like the content I'm making. If not, I cannot force anybody to subscribe, So, yeah, if you're joining now, I want to welcome you and thanks for tuning in. If you're on this live stream now, and even if you're watching the replay in the future, I want to thank you too. I'm coming to you live from the U.S. state of South Dakota in Sioux Falls. My name is George Shamoun. And I'm not an expert, but I've been learning HTML, CSS for the last couple of years, and I started with the JavaScript, and I intend to make websites on the side as a freelancer. So, who else? Anybody else have a question? Guys, make sure you let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm very interested to know how I'm reaching people and where you're living or where you're tuning in from. Are you in the US or overseas? Let me know if you're in the US, what state are you tuning in from? And if you're overseas, what country are you from? So anybody have another opinion about making websites, coding? I guess I should be more specific about web development. That's, coding websites. Anybody from overseas? From Europe, the Middle East, the Far East, South America? Nobody, I guess. Yeah, last time. Yeah, guys, please submit your questions or comments in a box. And this is a two-way conversation. You know, I don't want to be talking to myself. I'm very interested to know your input. Yeah, let me know if you have a website, if you know how to make a website, and what platform are you using? Do you use WordPress? Do you use self-hosted website using website builders or themes, templates, or you code from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? I don't know anything about the back end, maybe in the future, but now I'm gonna focus on the front end. Not even the framework or libraries, just the basics. Who else? Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from, and if you have any question about building websites and what the platform to use, if you're interested to know, or if you already have your website, you might be a coder, you might know how to code, or you know, you might be a web developer or web designer. Let us know. Yeah, who else? All right, so. Okay, yeah, I want you to know, if you're new to building websites and coding, there are so many ways to make a website. You don't even have to know programming, you know, languages like coding languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Uh, you can use hosted websites. You can use platforms that have ready themes and templates. So there are so many ways. Who else is tuning in? So yeah, I wish somebody has a Squarespace website. I'm very interested to know about Squarespace because I've been reading about them a lot, and I'm thinking to transfer my website to Squarespace space at one point, because it looks like they have a lot of good options, and they have options to code a web page or to make changes using CSS and JavaScript. I'm not sure why they never mentioned HTML, CSS, HTML, but I guess once you talk about CSS, it means you're talking about HTML too. Uh, Anybody else tuning in? Anybody have a question about making a web page, a website, what platform to use, what coding languages? Anybody else have a question? Guys, if you're tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from, and submit your questions about making a website or coding. And let us know if you have any ideas about the platform. What platform do you prefer? Do you have a website? If you're tuning in, welcome to this live stream. I want to thank you for joining. And if you have any questions about making websites, coding, let us know. Submit your question in a box below, and let us know what you think. Whether you have a website, you don't have a website. What coding language do you use? What platform do you use? WordPress, Weebly, Wix, Squarespace. What platform do you use, or you code from scratch? If you are an expert. So I think coding from scratch is difficult, and it takes time, and unless somebody is making a fully customizable website, and they're charging a lot of money, because if you want to code from scratch, it takes time, and it takes a lot of expertise, which I don't recommend, but it's good to know how to use HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript in the beginning when you start. So in case you want to make minor modification to the code. Welcome to this live stream. If you're tuning in, uh, I want to thank you for joining, and let us know where you're tuning in from. And if you have any question about coding a web page and making websites. Welcome to the live stream. Let us know where you're tuning in from. Say hi. What's your name? Are you in the US or overseas? Where you calling? Where are you tuning in from? Do you have a website? What platform are you using? Let us know. This is a two-way conversation that we're talking about website building platforms like Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, WordPress, whatever you're using. Let us know and share your opinion. It's a two-way conversation, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So because I'm trying to grow it to make more videos and help you more with different type of software, and starting with coding a web page using HTML, CSS, and in the future I'll start with JavaScript because you know I'm a beginner now. But guys, don't hesitate to add a comment or submit a question or share your opinion about web pages, making websites. Let us know. I'm here to help you answer some of your questions, and if I can't answer them, I can direct you to the right resources. Who else is interested to know about platforms that are used to build and make websites? Let us know if you have a website, if you're interested to learn about it. Give us your opinion. I'm very interested to know, first, where you're tuning in from, and second, what's your opinion about website building and the platforms? What do you use? Anybody else have any questions? So welcome whoever is tuning in. Welcome to this live stream. I am George Shamoun coming to you live from the U.S. state of South Dakota, and to be more specific, from the city of Sioux Falls. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and if you're interested to know about the website building platform, or if you have an opinion about them, share your opinions. What do you think? Which platform is your favorite? Yeah, say hi in a comment, and let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you have any questions, or if you want to share your opinion, feel free to chime in and add a comment. Anybody else have a question? Yeah, there's no more questions. Okay, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this stream, and because there's no questions coming in, and I don't see anybody tuning in, but it will be on a channel. So in case you get any notification and you can watch the replay, you can submit your question too, and comments, and let us know, because I don't see any more questions coming in. So it looks like nobody is interested anymore in this on a topic today. So maybe I can make another live stream tomorrow. So I want to thank you if you tuned in and you were on this live stream. And if you're tuning in the future on a replay, make sure you submit your comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content and you like the way I present, because I want to grow my channel, and I want to make more videos to help you. Thank you.